Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Super64. Welcome back to Let's Play Bioshock Infinite. Oh, hello.
No, this is not what I meant to have happen.
Elizabeth.
They're dead, Booker.
Come on. Let's leave this place. Let's go to the factory and get our airship.
Yeah,
This isn't our responsibility. None of it. You just opened a door to this world and we stepped through.
Are you sure, Booker?
Yeah.
Did I just bring us to a world where Chenlin was alive, or did I create it? I told you I always thought that my little trick was a form of wish fulfillment. I got my wish.
It's nothing that's...
Looks like I got a friend in town after all. Slate. He's fell in with these Vox Populi. And for irregulars, I will say, they are loaded for bear. Problem is, I gotta help them with their damn revolution first. Then we take Comstock House by storm. I do that, I get the girl.
What's that? New boots. That's actually pretty cool. Nah. Ow. That. Alright.
He bed you down in straw. And when your arms get
Get him in.
your legs grow weak. Boil on your skin, turn you into chomp. Now if you want to be a mule, well, go on, be my guest. But if you want to be a person, well, then you best come.
Oh, hello. Alright, come on. Let's get this party started. And we got that. Boom. Patriot where? Oh, there it is. Okay. Kill off the little ones because the little ones just build up damage.
Anything.
Take your time, take your time. Kill a Patriot all the way when we're here. Might take a little bit of time.
Catch!
Thank you. Alright, now we got more sniper ammo. That's right, kills.
Do it!
Alright.
The gate and the factory is ours! I would like to offer the words of counsel to one good people. Wait, open the gates with that chicken
Oh, hello. Okay, never mind.
He thinks we so
You can't get that door open unless someone takes that airship out.
Are we volunteering?
violent and hateful.
Pretty much. Oh, jeez. Is there a way? Is there a way for me? Oh, yeah, there is. Alright, come on. Found a way. So it's the right way. Oh, I'm gonna vomit! Yeah, let's go! Oh, I haven't even started my timer. Okay. elevation systems. Okay, oh jeez. And what? Bam! Okay.
Need to sabotage the engine and bring this thing down.
There we go. That's so blinding. Stay right there. Oh jeez. There. Okay, that thing's a rocket man.
I'm looking for more.
There we go. No need. Alright, come on. Let's go, Elizabeth. Alright. Time to bring in the shock into this place.
There's a Patriot! Here, ammo!
Give me a moment, Elizabeth. Okay.
Here you go.
Take it. Thank
Appreciate
you.
it.
Oh, God.
Sabotage the engine and bring this thing down.
Oh, that's not what I want to do, but okay.
What is alive?
That's all I have right
to
now.
a face? Rejoice!
Oh, jeez. And boom, shakalaka, boom, shakalaka, boom. Yeah, those things are becoming a little more easier now. Let's see, is there anything up at the front desk? No. I have the worst timing for like trying to scavenge for things. Probably not. I don't know. Oh. What is it?
Need to sabotage the engine and bring this thing down.
Okay, so sabotage. Got it. Okay, so we just need to pull off some plugs. Or just do that.
Okay,
Sure.
now to get off this thing.
Oh god. Here we go! Oh my gosh!
That was amazing.
Come on, Elizabeth. Let's go find Daisy in the factory.
I guess it was. Alright, boys and girls, stand back. We're about to get the fudge on out of here.
I'll cut you in half.
Everybody took over the machine. One. This has two.
Got salts.
Oh, you do? Where are you, Elizabeth? I need those salts. A lot of sniper rounds. Good day, sir. Let's go through this one.
Daisy said she was coming here for Fink.
We need to take that elevator up. Bet it leads to Fink's office.
Let's see. Kill with excessive damage, stunning unit. Everybody knows. Got some shotgun ammo. Okay, got some of that. I'll get some salt. Okay, good. I'm getting stuff. I'm getting things. Getting stuff and things. Okay, what's that? Okay, flux bag. That's a pretty hefty sum too. Alright, come on, let's go back. I mean, come on, let's go look at Elizabeth. Hey. Yeah, this is it, right? Okay, there we go. Boop. So... we help the Lins? Did we save them? Yes or no? Oh, look at all those bigger. Vending machines. Interesting. Elizabeth, you okay? You've been quiet for a minute. Haven't been like commentating on anything.
They're just right for each other, aren't they?
Who?
Fitzroy and Comstock.
Populi. And for irregulars, I will say, they are loaded for bear. Problem is, I gotta help them with their damn revolution first.
May Lin?
Then we take Comstock.
Mr. Lin? My God, I was so set on getting to Paris. I didn't really think that...
You couldn't have known this would happen.
I had a role in this catastrophe. If you want to pretend that we're purely innocents in this, then that's your prerogative, but...
Oh boy. Hello.
Hello? Think?
I saw you die, Booker. Saw it with my own eyes.
Fitzroy. Listen, I got you your guns. I'm here for my airship.
But my Booker DeWitt died for the Vox Populi. You either an imposter or a ghost. My Booker DeWitt was a hero to the cause, a story to tell your children. You just complicate the narrative.
That's scary. Is she gonna kill me for the sake of making sure I am not a revolutionary? Maybe make sure I die as a martyr? That's not gonna be fun. Whoa! Oh, well, that's not gonna be good. Yeah, dude, go ahead and do that. Like a back. Eden Yeager.
I found some money. Want it?
Yep, give it to me. I always want the monies. Yeah, no, these guys are gonna become our enemies now. But seriously, Elizabeth, how come you're not giving a reaction to that right now? Like, hey, holy crap! Oh, cool! Shock chain adds the ability to chain lightning strikes from one. Ooh, that looks really cool. But what's the rest? Crow's boost, increased stun duration. Okay, Bronco boost. Okay, if anything, I'm gonna save up for this. That sounds pretty cool. And what's over here? Oh, of course. Let's make sure we start earning our keep by doing that. And let's see. Gun upgrades. Okay, how about any gun upgrades for the shotgun? Damage boost to... Ooh. Okay, I don't see anything specifically for the shotgun, so I'll definitely do the damage boost on the sniper. I mean, the damage is pretty already high with the sniper, so is it really needed? But then again, there are those higher level enemies and the machine enemies too, so I might as well get it. All right, let's do it. Yeah, there we go. Max upgrade to the sniper rifle. Hooah! Fully upgrade one weapon and one vigor. Okay. Well, we haven't fully upgraded vigor, but yeah. Or have we? I feel like fire one part got upgraded. Who knows? No, the fire one still has like somewhat the same amount.
These holes have shown me yet another wonder, though I've yet to see the application for it. They illuminate a
Oh, I should have read that. I just was like,
that is somehow the lesser yet
what the fudge?
greater of both parties.
Eh!
Process seems reversible.
Gross! It's roadie!
Press to wash away your enemies.
Wait,
Hold
so-
to grab enemies and release to reel them in for punishment.
Wash away your enemies.
Comstock will have some need of this kind of thing to keep watch in that tower he is building.
Oh, look at the monies right here. I'm getting more monies. And I'm already building up so quickly to that. That's awesome. Okay. Wait. I'm curious. Okay, that looked like it's a spot where I can have some stuff in it. Okay. Anyways, okay, enough exploring right here. Let's get a move on.
Did you take a look at this lock?
I'll see what I can do.
Oh, that only costs us
All
a
done.
single hand. Good job.
Booker!
What's up? Oh, fudge?
Kill the imposters. Burn their bodies when you're done.
Oh, that's not good. Whoa, oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez, oh, jeez, oh, jeez. There goes down that guy. Okay. Let's see what you got. Actually, you know what? I'm curious about this new. Oh, hello, that's pretty cool.
I'm looking.
Okay,
Okay, catch.
but still prefer this one. Okay, hot. Yeah, totally worth it. Oh, geez. Alright. Alright, who's next? I'm ready to do this all day, motherfuckers. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. Need to take cover. Okay, nothing.
Candyman, over there!
Another one!
I've got ammo!
Oh jeez!
Here you go!
Much obliged!
Oh jeez! Okay. Oh jeez. Okay. Okay, running. Oh jeez, come on! Freaking hell! I got surrounded. Never. Okay, no excuses. Come on. The fudge? Where is here? Okay, either way. Okay. It's got 100% salt. I should have possessed this thing, but whatever. There we go. And then shotgun ammo. We're gonna need this. Alright, let's do this. Oh jeez, where is he? Where the fudge is this thing? Okay. Need to do tactical retreat,
I haven't found anything. Catch, Booker.
Yeah, right. You said you haven't found anything, but okay. What? Oh, hello. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. Of course you don't! Okay, I got back up. Okay. We did it! Yay! Oh, frickin' hell. Go away! Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. There we go. I think we made it. We survived.
No! She's going to kill that child. Booker, we have to do something. We have to act. We have to get in there.
Okay. I don't know what to do.
Come on, Booker, we've got to get out of here. Boost me up.
Okay. Come on. Interact.
Go to the window and distract Daisy. Go!
Alright. Hey! Daisy!
Is this it? Is this your movement, Daisy?
This is what needs to be done. You see, the founders ain't nothing but weeds. Cut them down and they just grow back. If you want to get rid of the weed, you gotta pull it up from the root. It's the only way to get...
Oh my gosh.
Elizabeth.
I guess it runs in the family.
No.
Elizabeth. Whoa, hey, easy.
Scissors. Can I see him? Elizabeth! Let's see if we can help Elizabeth. Elizabeth? Okay, she's probably behind that door. Let me see if I can gather some stuff before I confront her. Yeah, that's everything I can.
What are you doing in there? I know how this feels. Listen, I think you should talk to me.
Is that it? Come on, Elizabeth. You know what? Time to set a destination. And I'm gonna be... I know exactly where to go. East. Is that going to Paris? Are we heading off to Paris?
Elizabeth.
Whoa.
This is all I had.
Listen,
How do you do it?
how do I do what?
Forget. How do you wash away the things that you've done?
You don't. You just learn to live with it.
Exactly.
So the moment of truth between us. New York or Paris?
Nah, girl, I'm taking you to Paris. Oh, jeez.
No, 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 no!
Shit. Come on, we gotta find a way to make this thing go faster.
Okay. Gotta be a way to get this thing faster. Is there a room? Engine room, something like that. Change course.
There's gotta be some sort of throttle or accelerator.
Do you know what that looks like?
I don't know!
Help me find it!
Oh, jeez!
Elizabeth!
No, 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 no! Grab her, grab her, grab her! Great! Just when we got our airship, we won't be able to escape now. It's wonderful.
That's not it.
Certainly is.
Isn't.
Is.
Try again.
All right.
Hold on.
Here you are.
Ow.
Booker! We've gotta stop them!
No, that's the E.
No, that is
Booker,
certainly
hurry!
No, it's not.
Give me a moment.
Isn't.
Is.
Very collecting my bearings.
Play the whole song, he'll come back.
Try.
Here.
Fine.
Nope, that is not.
Stop it! Stop it! You don't know what you're doing!
There it is.
You've done it now. He's coming back. He's coming back.
The notes were correct.
The instrument was not.
One needs both to get his attention.
But if you know how to sing to him,
He will take you where you need to go.
Who are you?
we are where we are needed.
And needed where we are.
So Comstock uses these songs. Are there others we can use? Something to keep the bird off our back?
Perhaps you should ask the maestro himself.
So where is he?
Of
course. Well, at least they left the piano.
I'm curious, who are those?
That's Comstock House. If we're gonna find him, we should start there.
The boats are coming! We need to leave the dock! We need to push on!
Where are these people going?
Boats are coming!
Wherever the Vox Populi ain't.
The barge is at full weight! We're taking off now! Disembark!
Up there.
What do you got, rich boy, huh?
Oh, more upgrades. Weapon upgrades. Ooh! Shotgun! Yes! Gimme! Yes! More shotgun damage for me! Is there more damage? I mean, stuff boosted for the shotgun?
You took it off. What's this, a monocle? What am I gonna do with that?
More money. Here.
Thanks. By the way, that dress looks iconic. Oh, it's up there. Damn, I need to go forward. Okay. Yeah. Oh, it's also this way. Yeah, it's over this way. But these guys also look. Okay.
Black cannon over there!
Okay.
That one! Now!
Alright!
Hang on. Oh, geez.
Sorry, that's all I've got.
That's fine. Be careful, be careful.
Elizabeth!
There you go!
Gosh, dang it! Again. They want. Oh, and I had money on. I lose money when I die? That is such bullcrap. What good is a mosquito if it doesn't last long?
Do it. Now!
Sure thing. Now!
Ha!
Oh, jeez.
Take
Okay, hang
this
on.
for the bleeding.
Thank you. You know, hang on. Let's go up somewhere more high elevated.
Sure thing.
Okay. I keep on missing. Fudge. Oh, jeez. Not good, not good, not good. Alright. There we go! Oh, jeez.
There.
All right.
Okay. Come the frick on! Alright. Oh, wait, no, I do have some.
What are you doing?
I've got ammo.
Okay.
Take it.
Thank you. Boom shakalaka, boom shakalaka. I took a couple tries. Hate that. Hate it, hate it, hate it. I can't believe this is just some hard difficulty though. These poor civilians. Oh, okay, I already took one. Okay. At least we're safe. In the meantime. Okay, I'm making up my cash. I'm making up my cash. I guess I can have something to be a little bit happy about. Let's see what else is around here. Okay, I think that's about it. Alright. And
Got a lock, needs picking.
Seems easy enough.
What is it about that song that brings in the bird?
It always has. When I was younger, I used to be excited when I heard it.
Excited?
He was all I had. He fed me, brought me books. He was my friend.
Friend?
Until I grew up. And I hated him. Because he was my warden. He's just Comstock's pet, isn't he? Just like me.
that's about it.
It's
That
done.
sounds about it. Alright. Good job, Elizabeth. You're no one's pet. I will say that.
Fitzroy's no better than Comstock. Was she?
Once people get their blood up, it ain't easy to settle it down again.
This is on our hands, isn't it?
No, it's on theirs. Like specifically there. Okay, so my next way is
Elizabeth.
Sure thing.
but this way it looks like it has ammunition. Other things
All yours.
other things that I can use. Speed ammo. Let's see what is around here. Please only. Hello. Oh, hello, an infusion. Okay, good.
Feel better already.
There we go. Alright. Hey, we got our place of secrets. Wait. Oh, just telling me RPG ammo. Now I like the sniper and shotgun combination. It actually does give a good balance of both of them. And I've been able to kill a lot more enemies with this. Let's see. Wait, shock chain. Oh yeah, no, I don't have enough of that. Charge acid. Charge unlock. The fudge is that? Nah, I'm good. No, I didn't want to buy it! Fudge!
Formula Wonder. Press to lunge at enemies, delivering a tornado blow. Hold and release to build up a more devastating tornado blow.
No, I didn't want that. Fudge. Hang on. Can I go? Yeah, restart checkpoint. Yeah, I didn't want that. Either way, I guess that's actually a good time to end it. Right there. Oh, I'm all the way back here? Okay, you know what? Don't question it, don't fight it. Alright, everyone, thank you so much for watching. You guys, if you what to do, hit the thumbs up button, share the video as well, guys. Please share the video. It's gonna help my channel grow. It's also gonna get my videos out there, so please share the video. Also, guys, if you guys want to share your thoughts on the video, go and comment down in the comment section down below. Once you guys do all that, and you guys like my content, you guys want to see more. Excuse me. No, excuse me. And hit the red subscribe button. Also, don't forget that little bell to receive all notifications. I am Super464. This has been Bioshock Infinite. Peace out. God bless you all.